Hi friends, this is RP. In this video, we will see how we are to trade Monday, that is 4th April 2022. So market is in upward momentum in a bullish trend. Nifty last trading day, that is Friday, we saw a decent momentum on the upside. So in my previous video also, I explained momentum is upside only. We have to buy on dips. So Friday it has given a decent buying opportunity at the lower levels around 17,470, 480 kind of levels and closed at 17,670. So now the resistance points on the upper side 17,740 and 17,790. This 50-point zone will act as a little bit of resistance for the coming days to the market. It may be a Monday or Tuesday. So if the price goes this area, there may be some profit booking may take place. So this is the Nifty. So our idea should be buy on dips only. So all our long positions will book profits here, 17,790 kind of levels. We will take away our profits. And if the Nifty sustains above 17,800 level, then we can expect it may cross 18,000 in coming days. So now we'll see the Bank Nifty levels also. This is the Bank Nifty daily candlestick chart. In my previous video, I explained this gap. So in coming days, the gap may be filled. So almost around 75-80% of the gap already filled with this candle and decent momentum candle on the upper side. So now this momentum will continue to the level of 38,000 in coming days. In Bank Nifty also, our idea should be buy on dips mode only. On the downside, we have a decent support at 36,000. On the higher side, resistance at 38,000. So now we'll see the key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty and the range for Monday. So these are the levels for Monday. Key level is at 17,308. Bank Nifty 35,920. Expected range as per the volatility calculation. Nifty range 17,885 to 17,454 and Bank Nifty 37,800 to 36,560. And as per the option data, max pain is 17,500 and for Bank Nifty 36,800. PCR in a healthy mode, a bullish mode, PCR also. Nifty PCR 1.16, Bank Nifty PCR 1.10. For short-term trading, the list of stocks I already mentioned in the blog. These are the list of stocks. You can go through here or you can watch my blog. You can browse my blog and you can see all the levels and also this thing. And also I'm explaining in my blog about how to trade intraday trading in Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures. So we'll see now intraday trading for Monday, Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures. What are the levels? So our trading levels for Monday, Nifty futures will buy above 17,745 and will sell below 17,555. We'll have stop loss of 0.25% and we will aim for a target of 40 to 50 points. So simple rule is we have to plot the 5-minute candlestick chart. So 5-minute candle should close above this level. We'll buy. If the 5 minutes candle close below this level, we will sell with a strict stop loss of 0.25% for Nifty futures. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty futures also. Bank Nifty futures levels for Monday trading will buy above 37,260 and will sell below 36,750 with a stop loss of 0.25% and aim for a target of 150 to 200 points. So that's it friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.